Welcome to Motorradness. My name is Alton, and today I want to show you a demonstration on the heated grips on the BMW GS Adventure. If you're like me and you like riding in comfort, this is a great feature to have configured on your motorcycle. So let's get straight into it. On your motorcycle, on the right hand side, there is a heated grip symbol right there. You just want to press that to get into the option of the heated grips, and then you want to go to your wonder wheel, which is the little dial on the left hand side of your hand grip. You want to scroll that wonder wheel up till you reach heated handlebar grips. Then you want to push the wonder wheel to the right so that you can access the heated dial, and then you want to just go ahead and turn that up until you get to the desired setting. It goes from 1 to 5, and I'm going to tell you right now, if you select option number 5, you will have some hot hands. You probably won't even be able to hold the heated grips. I'm wearing these thick BMW gloves right now, and setting 3 is enough. I feel very comfortable with setting 3. So it's that simple. And if you want to dial it back, just go in reverse. And you can dial it down to whatever you decide you want. Okay? And if you have a heated seat and you'd like to warm your buns, just go ahead and select that option. Scroll down the same way with the wonder wheel. Push the wonder wheel to the right, and then turn the wonder wheel upwards until you reach the desired setting from 1 to 5. Okay? That is all. And to return to the main menu, you just want to press the menu option and press that up and hold it, and it'll turn you back to a main menu on your motorcycle. One of the cool features to this particular setup is that whatever you set the temperature at on the heated grip option, when you turn the bike off and you get ready to go back and ride again, it will remember the last setting that you had, so you don't have to worry about it. So if you like to ride around and you know that 3 is enough for you, all you have to do is hit the heated grip option and it will automatically return to that setting. Okay, that's it. That's all. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.